Welcome back to our course. We are still in session 2. In this video, we are going to discuss normalization, but a specific type of normalization called first normal form. With first normal form, a table should be such that there is exactly a single value in each cell of the table, and each record needs to be unique. So if we take a look here, we can see in this cell, this cell is telephone number, there are actually two values in, well, both of these cells actually contain two values or two telephone numbers. So right here, this tells us that since there is more than one value in each cell, we are not in first normal form. And if we look down here, we can see a way of breaking the table, the customer table, into two tables. That's certainly one approach, and using something called a foreign key. A foreign key was introduced in our last module that we delivered, or our last course that we delivered. And we can see here that the primary key for the customer name is now one of the keys for the customer telephone number, and this is now allowing us to have unique values in each cell and unique rows. Again, this is not the only approach, but this is certainly one approach. Please stay tuned for our next video, where we will discuss second normal form.